Hiya crafters, Amy here, and I have a quick batch welcome to the neighborhood card to share with you. Now this is going to come together super quickly because of this box of goodies. So this former chocolate box houses a ton of panels. I've done various different techniques, embossing, ink splatter, stenciling, painting, you name it, faux foiling. It's probably pretty much all in here. So this is where I house all my panels that haven't been turned into cards yet, and it really enables me to save some time and batch cards or pull a card together quickly if I need one in a snap. So I'm just kind of flipping through to find the right sort of look that I'm going for, but ultimately I'm going to have the panel ready to go to kind of pull this card together with other pre-batched items from my crafty stash. So once I'm done fiddling with this top of the box, then I'm just going to set this aside after I pick the panel that I want, and then I will show you a photo of the finished card. Now this is the direction we're going. You can see this is actually a jelly plate panel. This is with a stencil from A Colorful Life Designs. It's called Stained Glass. I will link that and any other available products in the video description box below. But this is basically a cute little die cut. I'm not sure if that die is still available, but I did die cut it out of some gold metallic cardstock, and I'm just using my tweezers to poke out these little details from the die cut. But I'm going to use this in tandem with a sentiment strip just to really pull these pieces together and have a card ready to go on hand. So these are great for new neighbors when they move in, just to give them a nice little welcome. And I have these little thin foam strips that I get from Amazon that fit perfectly behind your little fiddly dies or thin foam strips. At this point I realized that I had already backed the metallic cardstock with some two-way sticky tape from scrapbook.com. So that was convenient. I didn't even need to put any adhesive on the back of that house because it was already basically a sticker. So this, the only dimension is actually going to be the sentiment strip, and then I will just put that home down directly right on the panel because it already has the adhesive on the back. So this came together even quicker because I didn't even need to pop up the house or do anything there. So then I just need to attach this panel directly to a card base, and I will use 120-pound accent opaque. I also get that from Amazon, and we'll link that below. But it's a nice, thick, bright white cardstock, and the card base will be 4 1/4 inches by 5 1/2, which is USA 2. And then I have these gold glittery sequins that I think I got from one of the big box craft stores, and I have them in 3 different sizes to give myself a nice variety. And I'll put these down in odd numbers, so 3 to the left, 2 to the right, and varying sizes. Just have my jewel picker and some liquid glue. I'm just going to put these down right on the little dots of glue, and that's going to finish the design. Just got to attach this real quick with some tape runner, and that's going to be ready to go. So easy peasy. If you have a lot of the components on hand in your crafty stash ready to go, then you can pull together a card in a snap when you need it. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. And if you do check out stencils from A Colorful Life Designs, be sure to use my coupon AmyFan10 and you'll save 10% on your complete order. So thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.